Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a common problem that many users face when dealing with their devices. The issue at hand is problem. You know how frustrating it can be when you encounter unexpected obstacles while trying to get things done. But worry not, because we got a solution for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to problem. The key to overcoming this challenge lies in solution. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to tackle the problem head-on and find a resolution in no time. It's all about understanding the root cause and implementing the right approach to fix it. Remember, every problem has a solution, and you've got what it takes to handle it like a pro. In addition to solution, another useful tip to keep in mind is additional tip. This extra step can further enhance your troubleshooting process and make the problem-solving journey smoother. Sometimes it's the little things that make a big difference, so don't underestimate the power of going the extra mile. With these insights at your disposal, you'll be equipped to address problem effectively and efficiently. In summary, problem may seem daunting at first, but with the right mindset and approach, you can overcome any obstacle that comes your way. Remember to stay calm, focused, and proactive in your problem-solving efforts. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment, share your thoughts. Together, we can turn every problem into an opportunity for growth and learning. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.